Today marks an important milestone for the future of naval shipbuilding, because what you see before you, the ProX DMP 320 additive manufacturing machine, is a high-performance piece of equipment, but it's more than a piece of equipment with a long technical name. It's a key weapon in our digital transformation arsenal. It's a significant first for our industry, and I'm sure by now most of you are familiar with the digital transformation that's going on at Newport News Shipbuilding. This is a very significant part of that.
So what you're seeing here is a really layer by layer fabrication. That positioning system has just deposited a thin layer of powder, and the laser optics above are fusing a part you see on the screen, which is would be a Newport News logo and a 3D Systems logo, layer by layer. At the conclusion of this particular build cycle, that blade on the right will move to the left. It'll deposit more powder. The build plate will have dropped, and more powder. The laser will begin to restart, and the cycle will basically rinse and repeat. And more fabrication layer by layer of the same logo until it builds the full three-dimensional object at the conclusion of this process. So
it reinvigorates me. I've been in this business, as I said, today is my 30th anniversary in the shipbuilding business. I would have never imagined this sort of thing coming in as a brand new cooperative education student from Old Dominion University, growing up watching the shipyard do its business from my grandfather's commercial fishing boat in the James River, but not really knowing what we do here. Now 30 years later, not only knowing what we do, but being a part of what Newport News does, partnering with people like 3D Systems to advance the technology, and watching the engineers that were in the seat that I was in 30 years ago do things that I could have never imagined. So it's enormously satisfying to me to just be a part of that. It's really a gift, and after 30 years in this business, to continue to get a gift like that from time to time is an incredibly fulfilling thing.